Omnomnom. Today on my show, we're going to be making what I like to call chicken credentials. My good old friend Mr. Bailey's at the wheel. Come here. What? Oh, no lid on it. What am I doing? Okay. First up, we're going to be chopping my good friend Mr. Carrot. And chopping some carrots. Now take your pan and put them into the pan. There's one on my foot. Next thing we're going to be putting in our chicken credentials. There's a bit of chicken tonight. Oh, Mom, what are we going to be having for dinner? You'll be having chicken tonight. Oh, I'm so happy. Your father's not getting out of jail today. Now that we got the carrots in the bowl, I'm going to put it on. You're zooming in on that. I'm going to be putting it on the cooker. Probably not a good idea to put the container in there. Now the next thing I like to add, because I don't think chicken tonight has got enough chicken in it. We've got chicken powdered stock. This shit's my absolute favorite. Just add a bit in there. What you do is you stir up the chicken. Okay, what we got here is we got the crushed tomato. Okay, pour it in. Hey! Get out of there! Get out of there! It's too delicious! We're going to be needing my good friend Mr. Oats. Now, I know a lot of people think, what are you doing? Oh, no, you don't need oats in there. What are you, rocket science? Get out of there! Pickled onion. Now a lot of people go, why are you putting in pickled onion Omnomnom? And I say, shut up, mother! You don't know me! Close enough. We're almost done with our chicken credentials. Oh, it's so hot! The final thing, we turn down to a light simmer. Simmer, like a dimmer light. You'll be like, oh baby, look at your titties. Love you. Classic soy sauce. Gourmet! 5 minutes. Like me peeing in the urinal. You got to wiggle it at the end. Now, the one thing we need with every drink is just a bag of rum. Don't tell my mother. As it comes to a simmer, I like to let most of our viewers know that it is sponsored by, my show is sponsored by, Captain Morgan's Rum. Where's all the rum gone? Oh wait, here it is! I'm trying this soup myself. You know what? It ain't half bad. Special guest Captain Morgan is here. Now Captain Morgan over here is going to try my chicken credentials and see what they fully taste like. Now don't get into this. Ow! It's too hot! There you go. Drink up, bitch. It's actually not that bad. No, it's really good. Come on, I need something for my soup. Well, Captain Morgan has decided to forfeit, and at the end of the day, at least he can handle his rum. By the way, I'd like to also promote one final time, Captain Morgan's rum. Do not drink straight. We'll catch you next week! It's hot as shit! I know! Get in there, look, just be like, oh yeah. Ah! Ah! No, God, no! That's actually really hot, I didn't realize it was that hot. It burnt my mouth so bad.
Let it simmer for a while.
Let it simmer!